Like, this is how the quiz will work. We're going to project the question on the projector. Then when you solve it, I assure you correct, raise your hand, come and see. If you are correct, the first person that gets the answer will go home with 10,000 naira. So we'll have three questions with 10,000 cash. So it's not
10,000 naira.
You have to solve it.
You have to solve it with your money. You have to solve it. You don't need to give questions to give answers already. So you have to solve it. Don't get solve it. What do you do with it? Joshua. Joshua, I can't see you. This God, I was meant to.
Joshua has gotten 10,000 naira.
Thank you. Show them.
This is English. Compose a single sentence that will contain these five figures of speech. Metaphor, specification, simile, oxymoron, and hyperbole. So write the sentence.
Compose a single sentence. Who has finished?
Don't take your time. It's
Take your time.
correct instead of
Take your time, get the answer correctly.
sentence that contain metaphor, specification, simile, oxymoron, and hyperbole.
You have
I acted like a holy sinner. So that like is already a simile. And holy sinner is an oxymoron already. So the point that the cloud cries for me. So the cloud cries for me is specification. So that's it. And I was a fool not to know. Then when I cried to the extent that I said, that is like a hyperbole. Is there anything missing in the
everything is
I was a fool. I acted like a holy sinner.
Yes.
How much?
10,000.
Come on, round of applause for him.
10,000 naira waiting for a very smart person. You don't want to keep 10,000. You don't want to make money. 10,000. No. Yes, no. Show them. We have a promo code for you. Are you listening to me? We have listen. We have a promo code for you so that the amount for you to pay will be subsidized. Okay, in the promo code side where you have a promo code, just put media. Are you with me? Don't tell this to any other person. It's just for people here. Just put the word media, 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 and you will get a discount to access the app. Is that